Right, it's been a while since we've had any videos that have actually meant anything. Fabia died of death. Coolant just decided to go straight through the intercooler, so that's like chilling out back now, which I'll show you in a minute. But I've now bought myself a new car. So yeah, let's have a look at it. So before I show you the new car, this is what's left of the Fabia. Absolutely bugger all. Front mount's getting sold. What else have I sold? Strut brace is getting sold because, well, I can't use it. I'm still undecided what I want to do with it yet. But take the intercooler off and coolant just shot out. Look in here. I don't think there's any coolant left in it. A bit upset really because, well, I've had the car 2.5 years. That is tight as fuck. You can see tiny bit of water in there, but nothing major. But yeah, there's not really a lot left. Needs a lot of loving. Sold the wheels off it as well. I can't get this cap back on. There we go. You can see where all the coolant's been leaking out and gotten all over the ballasts. It's just our new aux belt. Done the cam bolt on it not too long ago. Don't think you'll be able to see it. No. But yeah, no, all that was done. Just had a new air filter put on it. So yeah, a bit of annoying, but one of those things I suppose, but time to move on. So there's the old car. Let's have a look at the new one. Here it is. Mark 6 Golf GTI. Yeah, I've gone for a petrol instead of a diesel, which is unlike me. But yeah, no, it's alright. Got the 18-inch Monzas. Missing a GTI badge. People pick them off. It's only just clipped in there. It's had a badge upgrade on it. It's got all the bells and whistles. Reversing camera pops out the badge. Tartan velour seats. 6-speed manual. I know I'm going to get a bit of hate for it not being a DSG, but well, I prefer a manual. 78,000 miles. It's got the RNS 510 in it with the navigation, the traffic updates, Bluetooth media, all that lot. The climate control without the heated seats. Move that out of the way. Got the park assist. Oh, you can't really see that now because I'm not pointing at it. Yeah, park assist there. With what else we got? Reversing camera pops out the boot badge. I think I said about that. Cruise control. A few other little bits and bobs on it. But yeah, no, it's alright. I got get odd from going from a diesel back to a petrol after about 3-4 years of owning and driving a diesel. Oh hell, got the keys stuck in the door. We'll have a look under the bonnet. Like that. There we go. Just had to put a new battery in it because the last one on it was a bit flat. Other than that, so far so good. Full service history all the way up from main dealer. So yeah, all thankfully keep it that way. So yeah, it's the new car. Hopefully do a few more videos on this. But yeah, see you in the next one.